Hello everyone. In this session, we will look into Java language basics and mainly we will concentrate on basic program structure and variables, data types. These are a couple of concepts. Okay, let's first look at the program structure. So this is Eclipse. It's a Java editor a tool where we can write the code and execute it. It is it's a very good tool for development. When you learn, it is easy. So you can install this Eclipse from like you can go to like internet and you can download. So Eclipse, you can download the latest versions. You can go to 64-bit. So once it downloads, you can extract it, or you can go to packages also. So there you can get release latest new release here. So like Java can be used for multiple uh, applications development, like different areas. Like you can develop normal desktop applications or something, or you can develop some web-based enterprise applications. So like that, we have different packages, Eclipse support packages. Automatically, we get all these tools. So for now, we can just use IDE for developer because we are just trying to learn core Java function features. Okay, once you download, that will be a zip. Uh, so that will be a zip folder, like zip file, and you can extract it and you can run this application. So when you run, it will open. It's already open, so I'm just ignoring that. Yeah, once you have, so we have seen like in Java, everything should be belongs to class. So we will understand what is this like these things. But for now, we can just create a class. Uh, this is a package. This is to group classes into one uh, package. Like we can have based on the concept, we can have multiple packages so that we can group the classes or like Java files into particular package. It's not mandatory to have like this. You can just have one single. It's nothing but a hierarchy or a folder structure where you want to keep just to have a better readability or something. Even structuring, basically, I can say. So, okay, we will just delete this for now. So I'm just creating a Java project and we can give a name. So Java project name, I'm giving a core Java basics, and we can give a path where we want to create. So I can, yeah, we can select learning. So that's it. We don't need to give any other parameters. Uh, okay. So basically, it is because we selected a wrong, I mean, parent folder. We should create specific folder. So let's create. Okay, we will create again. Okay, let's Here we will create one more folder. Let's select this folder for this project. Okay, by default we will get a SRC package, default package when you create a Java project. Under that we can create if you want, we can create a package like so better to have package name as a lowercase recommended. So I'm just creating new package as a demo, and I'm creating a Java class because in Java everything should be within a class. So I'm just giving a hello world as a class name. And okay, let's finish. So the class should be public. This is the like any class. This is a syntax. So class and class name is mandatory, and this is access specifier. Like the class should be public. Like this is it is available anywhere. Like so, if you there can be multiple access specifiers. We will come to them later. But for now, yeah, you have to create a class, and there will be open and close parentheses. And inside, you can write the code. And in Java, to run a program, main method is mandatory. So because in Java, the execution starts from main method. We call it as a method. Like so, method will also have a structure. Like we initially like this. I mentioned like so a language will have a specification or a rules or syntax. So a method, we will come to methods also. This is the mandatory like default method we should have. Main method is like with this name and string arguments. So this is must to run a Java program. So the Java program execution starts from main method. Whatever code inside the main method that will be executed, and so I'm just printing hello world text. Okay, now I will just right click, so run as a Java application. So when you run, it is printing hello world as output. So here Java virtual machine JVM is responsible for executing the code, executing the Java program. So here, so main method, yeah, is must, and so JVM look for main method. If there is no main method, the program execution will fail. We can try again. So this is shortcut we can run. So main method not found in class. Please define a main method as a public static void main. So this is mandatory to run any program. So that's why Java rules are like this. It is mandatory, and we we know like Java itself has its own like utilities or libraries provided because basic implementation is already available. Like suppose you want to print a method, so we have println or print method in this system class. So system itself also a class, and here all the methods are static methods. And then we can see print method also. I'm just giving a deeper understanding so that when you write complex programs, you will understand how. So here we can see, okay, it's inside this out. Okay. So printer stream is another class where we have all the methods like printer, print stream, println. Okay. So this is a method that is responsible to print the values. So here we have println and the parameter we have. So this new line will read that and print the value. So yeah, I'm just giving like this is a default static class. Like if a class is static, we no need to create like instance of that class and create. We can directly access the methods inside that. Yeah, we will go deeper. Just for now, we need to understand like in order to run a standalone Java application or like Java program, we should have a main method, and this is the signature or the structure of that method. So void means if a method returns any value, then we should have that return type. In this case, we are not returning any value from this method, so that's why return type is void. We will see return types also when we talk about the methods in detail. And static means if a method is static, that method can be uh, run by the JVM directly. So that's why hello world.main can be executed directly because of a static method. And also public means it is available for JVM to run this method. Yeah, so this is a very basic program structure. So the package where this class is reside, so that is the package. And this is the syntax for a class, how to create a class. And the main method is uh, mandatory method, and this is the signature of the method. Yeah. Okay, so that's about program structure.